Have you ever noticed that everyone seems to want financial freedom, but no one can agree on what it actually is? Some people think it's about having a private jet and a mansion. Others think it's about quitting their job and traveling the world. The truth is, it's simpler and far more achievable than you might think. Financial freedom isn't about being rich. It's about having control. Control over your time, so you can spend it on what truly matters. Control over your choices, so you're not forced into situations you don't want to be in. It's the moment your money starts working for you, instead of you constantly working for it. The biggest mistake I see people make is treating financial freedom like a lottery ticket. They're waiting for that one big break, that one stock that goes to the moon, or that one business idea that explodes overnight. But that's not how it works. Financial freedom isn't a destination you arrive at. It's a system you build, a set of habits you practice day in and day out. Think of it like fitness. You don't just go to the gym once and expect to be in shape forever, right? It's the consistent, daily effort that gets you results. If your financial habits stay the same, your financial reality will too. So, where do we start? The absolute bedrock, the foundation of this entire journey, is your mindset. Before you even think about saving $1 or investing in a stock, you have to get your mind right. This is non-negotiable. You have to stop believing that wealth is just a matter of luck or being born into the right family. You have to start seeing money for what it is. A tool, a powerful tool that you can learn to master. It's not something to be feared or to feel guilty about. It's a resource that, when managed correctly, can build the life you want. The moment you realize that your income isn't fixed, but is directly tied to the value and skills you bring to the world, everything changes. For me, the big aha moment came when I stopped asking, how can I make money fast? It's a question that leads to scams and shortcuts. Instead, I started asking a much more powerful question. How do I become the kind of person who consistently builds wealth? That simple shift in perspective changed everything. It took the focus off of a get-rich-quick outcome and put it onto personal growth and building valuable habits. It's about becoming disciplined, knowledgeable, and patient. When you become that person, the money follows as a natural byproduct. The second pillar of our foundation is awareness. You cannot change what you do not measure. Financial freedom is impossible if you're flying blind. You need to know exactly where your money is going, down to the last dollar. What are the little habits that are draining your bank account without you even noticing? That daily coffee? Those subscription services you forgot you had? Which expenses are truly adding value to your life? And which are just impulse buys that you regret a week later? Most people avoid this step because it can be it's easier not to look. But that ignorance is precisely what keeps them stuck in the same financial cycle, year after year. Once you have awareness, you can move to the third pillar, control. Now, control doesn't mean being cheap or depriving yourself of everything you enjoy. That's a scarcity mindset, and it's not sustainable. Control means being intentional. It means you are the one directing your money, not your impulses or clever marketing. You know exactly where every dollar is flowing and, more importantly, asterisk, why? Asterisk, is it going toward your future goals, like a down payment on a house or your retirement fund? Or is it disappearing into things that don't align with your vision for the future? When you control your money, you are quite literally taking control of your future. You're no longer a passenger, you're the pilot. These three pillars, mindset, awareness, and control, are the non-negotiable foundation. Without them, any strategy for saving, investing, or earning more is built on sand and will eventually crumble. You have to get this part right before you do anything else. So, I want to ask you, what does financial freedom personally mean to you? Is it the freedom to quit a job you dislike, the stability to know your family is secure, or the choice to pursue a passion without worrying about the paycheck? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one, and I'm genuinely curious to hear what drives you. If you found this helpful and you're ready to build your own path to freedom, make sure you subscribe to the channel. This is just part 1 of our ultimate guide. In part 2, we're really going to get into the actionable steps you can take right now to start increasing your income and building real, tangible financial stability. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.